Take 27. Let's try this again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you one of my new to me Fendi baguette, and I will share a backstory with you guys. I will also show mod shots of this bag on, and I am super excited to show this to you guys. I have been kind of hiding it back from you. I posted something on my stories on Instagram after I sold a few of my bags so that I can purchase this bag. And anyways, if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely check me out over there. My name is going to be under here. It's trendythread_, and I post all my outfits, my looks, my bag of the day, all stuff like that. So definitely check me out on there. Sometimes I share things there before I do here. And I also wanted to thank whoever joined my giveaway with the beautiful ladies. I just had a giveaway with a few of my girls on YouTube and Instagram, and that was so much fun. And definitely keep an eye out for further giveaways, because I definitely want to be doing some more of those. What else before I get into this video? Oh yes, stay tuned to the end of the video because I do have a little Chanel reveal as well. So without further ado, let me just show you the beauty. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm like speechless over this. It is freaking gorgeous. So this is the Fendi baguette in the large size with the black FF embossed leather. I believe it is lambskin leather. It is definitely super buttery and soft, but I think it's going to be a little bit more durable than the Chanel lambskin. And yeah, so a little backstory on this bag. I have been wanting this bag since I first ever saw it. I've been dying over it, and I just was not going to pay the retail price for it. I think it retails for about like $31.90, something crazy. To me, that's like Chanel money. And yeah, so I said, you know what, let me wait and see if it's on the resale pre-love market. And I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna wait for this bag, whatever. So I actually went to try it on, because just to like get it off of my mind. Not that that would get it off my mind, but just like get it out of my system. And I tried it on in the white, and I fell in love with the white. However, realistically, white is not a bag that I would probably go for, especially because I know how I am with my bags. I don't take care of them very well. I mean, I take care of them, but I don't like to baby them. So as much as I love the white, it just was not going to work for me. And I tried the medium size, and it did not look as good as this looked on me. Now, the reason why I love this large size so much is because of the fact that it's different, it's quirky, it's like a new twist on the classic baguette, and I just think nobody's gonna get this size. I feel like people are gonna go towards the medium size because they think it's more classic, and I don't know, I just love this freaking bag, and I'm actually surprised that a lot of people did not jump on this bag. So yes, I am in love. Now, I did purchase this pre-loved, and I paid literally less than half the price after tax. Like with tax, it would be like $3,600. So I paid like, wait, how would it be? I got like 60% off, or even more than that. And I did just sell two bags and a couple other things. And so I actually had leftover money from those sales after even purchasing this. So yes, I am so happy about this. I do want to share, like I said, mod shots. I'll also show you guys what's inside. So it is super roomy. I don't even have it filled, but I will add a couple other things in so that you guys can see. I have my HRH AB pouch, my mini pochette accessory. I love this. This is definitely an item that you guys need, especially if you're starting out with luxury goods. I keep my money and all my stuff in there. My YSL card holder. This is the #1 for me. I don't go anywhere without that. My 6-ring key holder. 2 lipsticks. And then I just have receipts and some feminine products in there. So I am gonna put that stuff back in because like I said, I wanted to show you guys what fits. And I am going to add in this is a Chanel sunglasses case. And let's just say this was my camera. This is the case to my camera. And guys, there's still room. That is ridiculous. Like, seriously, that is crazy. So, and let me just close it. Yeah, oh yeah, there's plenty of room. The only negative thing I have to say about this bag is that it will tend to lose its shape. I see from the previous owner that there's like kind of like a dent from the leather there, but to be honest with you, that's gonna happen with wear. I guess they were holding it by the strap, by the top handle. I probably won't be wearing it that way, maybe unless I have like very light amount of things in here. But yeah, I think that the leather being so soft in the long run might make it let its shape get lost. Sorry, I can't speak today. The shape will probably, the bag will lose its shape. But I am thinking to reach out to Smorga, I don't know how to pronounce them, but they make bag organizers, and I'm thinking to reach out to them and seeing if they can make me an organizer for this so that maybe it'll help hold its shape. Anyways, let me show you the bag on. So this is it on the shoulder. And then my favorite way is crossbody, because I just think it sits like perfectly high, if that makes any sense. And I just think it's so freaking amazing, like legit obsessed. So yeah, there is my Fendi baguette for you guys. And I don't know what else. I'm trying to think of what I can add in. Oh, the straps are removable. So you can remove this top handle and you can remove this one. As you guys probably know already, Fendi does make so many different accessories for their bags, so you can change the strap. I do own a Fendi Zuka strap that I will most definitely be adding on to this baby. I think it is about the size of this strap that it comes with. The strap is so comfortable because the leather's so buttery. And yeah, that's it for this bag. Guys, definitely let me know what you think about this. And lastly, let me show you this quick little goodie. Can you guys guess what it is? I only own one other jewelry from Chanel, and it's my Chanel CC earrings. And oh, I hope this is gonna like show up the right way. Oh, there it is. It says, oh, I hope you could see it. It's not showing up, but it says Chanel, and it lays just about there, and I think it is so pretty. I picked it up on the pre-love market, so I saved a lot of money, and I love it. What do you guys think? What else? Yes, so thank you guys for watching. Everything that I have on in this video will be linked down below. I will also link the Fendi baguette below, and I hope you guys love my video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you guys back, and thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.